Hello, good afternoon. I'm Dr. Divya Nallur, psychiatrist at Amaha. Amaha is a mental health organization. We started this because we saw a treatment gap in India. The founders of Amaha, who are Dr. Amit Malik and Dr. Miss Neha Kripal, founded the organization to uh, look at the how we can narrow this mental health treatment gap. As you all know, mental illness is a very common condition across the globe, and it's becoming an even increasing problem uh, post COVID. In India, we have very little services. We have about less than 10,000 trained psychiatrists in India. We have a huge treatment gap. People who become mentally unwell and who try to seek treatment, usually the treatment gap is more than 5 years. So, from the onset of symptoms to the time when they take help, especially in India, because of all our other social beliefs. We may go to the temple first, we may go to other means of treatment first before we recognize that mental illness is actually a health condition, and that we want to we should manage it by going to mental health organizations or clinicians who can support this. So this hospital was created after having done a lot of work in outpatients area. We have 6 centers in Bangalore which does only outpatients work, and we are also in Mumbai and Delhi, and we have online consultations across the country. But this Amaha in MCHECHS layout is the first hospital that Amaha has brought forward. This hospital is for acutely unwell patients, acutely mentally unwell patients. So people who may be suicidal or who may be psychotic or whose addictions may be so severe that we can't treat them in outpatient services, we can treat those people in our hospital. This is a 27 bedded acute facility where we can take people who are at risk to themselves or to others and give them care in a way that is personalized to them. What we are trying to do is create personalized treatment plans to suit individual needs. We take care of the family, the carer's need, and to integrate all of this with dignity, with hope, and with respect for the individual who's suffering with the mental illness. The such facilities are far and few in our country. We are very privileged in Bangalore that we also have NIMHANS, the largest mental health facility in the country. But as we all know, anyone who's visited NIMHANS knows that the need is far greater. The need for mental health services in India and in Bangalore is far greater than the services that are already available. So, this is our small attempt to create another level of care within the city, to make sure that people have options to seek this kind of support and to get holistic mental health care. So inside our hospital we have not just have psychiatric medications being given by specialists and psychiatrists, but we also have psychologists who will do talk therapy. We have group therapy. We have every modality of psychological interventions, such as EMDR, or brief interventions, or motivational enhancement therapy, or cognitive behavioral therapy. We also include occupational therapy, nursing care into the package. We also have cutting edge technology where we can do modified ECT or deep TMS, which are uh, new treatments for mental health problems. We do ketamine assisted therapy and other therapies to help patients with complex problems get into care plans which are integrated biologically, psychologically, socially. We create plans that are holistic, that keep the patient and their carer and their family at the center of everything. Thank you so much.